let's solve the equation a into a minus 7 equal to 0. Now, if you look at this equation, it is of the form ab equal to 0, where a here is still representing the a and a minus 7 here is representing the b side. That is, it's either a equal to 0 or a minus 7 equal to 0. Solution. We have a into a minus 7 equals 0. So either a equals 0 or a minus 7 equals 0. Now we solve this side. That is, a equals 7. So therefore, a equals 0 or 7. So that gives us the value for which this equation will be equal to 0. And we can also check when a equals to 0 from the left hand side of the equation. When we substitute a as 0, we're having 0 into 0 minus 7, and here we'll have 0 into minus 7, which means 0 times minus 7, which gives us 0, which is what we have at the right hand side. So that means this value is correct. Also, when a equals 7, from the left hand side, we have 7 into 7 minus 7, which gives us 7 into 0. And this means 7 multiplied by 0, which gives us 0, and which gives us the right hand side. So that means we are correct. So either one of these values, when substituted inside this equation, will give us the value of 0. Thank you.